Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change to Arabic keyboard on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, just go to your search bar and search for language settings. From the best matches, just open up language settings. Then just maximize this. And here, you'll find all the language added. I only have English from United States. I want to add a new language, so I'll click on this. And after that, just search for Arabic if you want to add Arabic. Now, there are different versions of Arabic. Select the one which you want. For example, I'm gonna select the one from Egypt. Then I'm just gonna click on next. Then just click on install. If you want the optional language pack, make sure to tick it. I don't want it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Click on install. Then just wait, it will download and install Arabic in your system. As you can see, mine has already been added. So I'm just gonna minimize this. And now from here on the bottom right, you'll see your English. If you click on it, you can change it to Arabic. You also get a keyboard shortcut for it, which is Windows plus space, which is also going to change it. Now just open up Notepad. And inside Notepad, just type, and you're going to see your Arabic is being written. And basically that is how to change to Arabic keyboard on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.